Wairarapa College lies at the heart of a district with many resources. It is a great place to live. It is rich in its history, people and environment. Wairarapa College offers a co-educational education of quality to its community with resources that few other schools anywhere can match. Its facilities include an outstanding hall, gym, hostel, farms, pool and a wide range of other specialist buildings, some with history for sure. The hostel serves a unique purpose, enabling all state school families to have a boarding option. And the sporting, cultural, academic and performance outcomes of the school are high. The 1,100 students here are outstanding young people. Parents are placing their children into a good environment. This school, with its size and facilities, offers great opportunities to get involved in teams and groups. It can also offer a range of staffed subjects in specialist areas that few other schools can. An analysis shows that in the senior school there are some 33 options on offer, an incredibly wide curriculum package for any school. There are many both academic and vocational courses on offer, leading directly to employment or further training. We have aligned courses more with the 6 vocational pathways for students to give relevance to our curriculum, making sure it leads to jobs. We have sought further qualification opportunities for our students so they can prove what they can do by a detailed record of learning. We continually look for ways that we can provide authentic learning opportunities for our students. Academic mentoring, recently introduced, ensures that every student is achieving to their potential. The Sports Academy, recently introduced, is an example of this. Academic success is a key target for continuous school improvement, giving us NCEA results above the national and decile comparisons. The school has moved further towards being an ICT-rich environment. The purchase of 100 computers means all suites and many other curriculum areas have been upgraded with this technology. Another 60 computers have had upgrades so that we can provide an ICT-rich environment throughout the school. We have joined an e-school, an online cluster of 21 schools, so that we can offer an online curriculum to supplement and broaden our existing curriculum. Suddenly, we have a huge new range of subjects to offer, like German, Chinese, Spanish, 3D animation, web design, and so much more. About 25 students are already engaging in online learning, a medium that many lifelong learners will take up in the future. Personal devices are welcomed into an environment where there will be more use of ICTs in teaching and learning, well supported by the powerful Wi-Fi we have throughout the school. Our school prides itself on providing a thriving environment that is student-centred and future-focused. All of this is built on a strong foundation of tradition and success. We invite you to be a part of this.